from grade 6 from Talapadmati International School. Hey friends, I'm back. Friends, do you know that today is World Nature Conservation Day? The history and origin of the World Nature Conservation Day is unknown. But the main aim is to celebrating it on is to come together and support the nature. Don't exploit it. Conservation of nature is the wise management and utilization of nature resources. As we know that due to natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, increased temperature, etc. Therefore, for next generation, it is necessary to preserve it. So it is important to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the importance of saving resources, recycling it, preserving it, and also understanding the consequences of damaging it. I wish you all once again Happy World Nature Conservation Day. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Honey.
Brother, why you have turned on the tap when it is not in use? You should not turn on the tap when it is not in use. After washing your hands, you need to turn off the tap. Water is very valuable and precious. We can't waste it. The earth is covered 71% of water, but only 1% of it we can use.
Okay, sister, I will never waste the water.
So friends, it is our responsibility to save the water.
Save water, save life. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Alina from class 7 studying in Talapadmati International School.
Myself, Hamza, from grade 3rd studying Talapadmati International School.
Now myself and my brother are going to perform a skit on this World Nature Conservation Day. Oh man, what are you doing?
I'm cutting down the trees.
Please don't cut down the trees.
What happens if I will cut down the trees?
Cutting trees on a large scale leads to deforestation.
What happens if deforestation occurs?
Trees are very important to us. If we destroy trees, one day our country will turn into a great desert. Due to deforestation, carbon dioxide increases on a large scale of atmosphere, and it causes greenhouse effect.
Oh, I am sorry. That means we are only destroying the nature. Today onwards, I will not cut down the trees.
Oh, it's really good.